It's about that time of day again, folks. Welcome back. Welcome back. My name is Joseph. This is our live trade room recap for the morning session here. It's Wednesday morning, the 10th of October, 10/10/2012. And as always, our job this morning was to come in, use those 1, 2, 3, identify the price structure first, find the entry pattern second, and third, execute and mend that trade. We didn't waste any time this morning, guys, getting into it on crude. We quickly identified this morning on crude oil. Let's open up our anchor chart on crude at 89 range. We quickly identified the fact that we were up towards the highs of this wedge. Right? Now, this is how much we saw this morning. And we saw that we had a price wedge on crude, and we saw that we had a bear channel. What does a price wedge tell me? That was the first thing, right? Step number one, identify the price structure. What was the price structure? It was a bear channel. It was a price wedge. What does that tell me to do? It tells me the highest percentage trades are to sell the highs. Now, all we had to do was find the entry pattern. The entry pattern, of course, will come on a little bit faster time frame. So the 89 range chart quickly gave us a heads up this morning that we were range bound. We also knew as we went through this that we had a previous high of day. This was another clue. So the first clue we got was to sell the highs, right? Sell it, which we did. And we made pretty much our entire daily goal in the first hour of the day today. But then we also had one more wrinkle in our plan, didn't we? Remember, price can move three directions: up, down, and sideways. That's right. Price can only move in three directions. So when we went through our plan this morning, we said, okay, let's assume that we're sitting at the highs of this range. Scenario one, price goes higher. What will we do? Buy above the previous high of day. And that's exactly what we just finished doing, padding our account. Scenario two is price could go sideways. And if it goes sideways, well, we'll have to be patient and sit on our hands. Scenario three was, if the buyers failed and we came off those highs, if price went lower, we were going to be aggressively selling the highs of this range. If you've been with me as a member for a while now, you know a price wedge is a dream come true. It's the price structure that I would trade the rest of my career if I could help it. So the 89 range chart told us, first scenario, you better be ready to sell below that previous high of day and below the wedge highs. The second scenario was, if we went through those highs, then we look to be a buyer. And that's exactly what we did today. We began our day here now, and you can see price has been rising ever since about 10:30 this morning. You can see here, here's that price wedge. There's that price wedge that we found. And so what did we do? You got it. First trade of the morning, short off the highs. Second trade of the morning, short off the highs. Third trade of the morning, since we know that a price wedge is a fake out, breakout personality clue, and we knew that we weren't going to start buying here until we got above that previous high of day, you got it, we sold it again. So the first trades this morning on crude oil were all short. Why again? Well, we talked about it. Bear channel, inside day below the previous high of day, and a price wedge. The price structure told me exactly what to do. So we took profit, profit, profit. All trades were called live. All trades gave everybody a chance to participate with me in the room today. We then decided, well, now that we're above the previous high of day, let's buy 1 and 2. So we started buying. And this is where we found some additional profit today. And again, you can see here it's referenced right on our track record for this morning's trading session. We began the day looking short. Short, short, short. The first 3 trades were short, and we literally almost got our goal before we ever got started today. We then saw price break out. Long, long, long. Up to the 33 level. What did we do at that 33? We took profit for that big 45-tick runner, a big 45-tick winner. We took profit at 33. Then at that 33 resistance, short, short. Couldn't get much out of it. Price ended up going higher and gave you another wave pattern long. But as of this point, though, we had already nailed our goal today. As always, we talk about this every morning. And I think a lot of you guys might think I'm oversimplifying it, but it really is this easy. First step, identify the price structure. Second step, find the entry pattern. We took 2 steps. We took wave patterns today. Third step, execute the trade, manage the trade. The trade triggers when we see momentum, size, and speed. My automated trade management, my ATM strategies are already set up for me ahead of time. We'll go over that today in training. It's covered in the course materials. Ultimately, when we are managing our trades, we've already got that done. It's just a matter of will the market fill our profit targets. I'm going to use the same trade management no matter what market I'm trading. Nothing changes. So we earned our keep today on crude oil. Could we have earned money on euro or gold or Russell the same way? Absolutely. There's nothing different. Same strategies, same price structures, same entry triggers, same trade management theories, same everything. I used a checklist today, and this checklist made my job easy. This checklist walks me right through exactly what I did today to find all the price structures, and you're going to have that checklist as a member. It's always improving. Guys, there's a wealth of information out there available to our members in our advanced course, and I'm excited to share it with you as a brand new member. I want to encourage you to come join me today. Today's a Wednesday. Come join me in members-only training. On Mondays and Wednesdays, we do group training. On Tuesday, Thursdays, Saturdays, yes, I said Saturdays, I do private training sessions. Every Monday and Wednesday, we have an additional little discount, right? A discount for you guys getting registered on a Monday or Wednesday to give you a reason to come in and join me today in our members-only training. So we got a group training session today. We're going to be talking about wave patterns, talking about trade management, talking about setting up ATM strategies. Looking forward to having another great day with you again tomorrow as well. Don't forget, tomorrow, 7:30 a.m., the morning prep goes up every morning. That morning prep is a gold mine of information. And then at 8 o'clock Eastern Time each morning, we open up our live trade room. Starting next week, our live trade room will be opening up at 3 a.m. Eastern Time, so don't miss it. And this trade room today will be open until 4:30 Eastern. I want to thank you all for being a part of this today. Another incredible day of earning and learning. You guys may not realize this, but there aren't a lot of places online to see both education and live real trading in front of you. Pretty unique, and I hope you guys see the value in that. We'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. The trade room opens up. 7:30 a.m. that morning prep goes up, and I got a couple more minutes here if you want to ask some more questions here.